Vivo just delivered a new mid-range smartphone for the Taiwanese market dubbed vivo X50e 5G with quad cameras, 33W charging, and a Snapdragon 765G chipset. The vivo X50e is the cheapest 5G-enabled member of the X50 lineup. There is a 6.44-inch AMOLED screen complete with an in-display fingerprint scanner. The panel covers 103% of the NTSC color space, while its water drop notch houses a 32MP selfie camera with f/2.0 aperture. Around back is the diamond-shaped quad camera setup, consisting of a 48MP main camera with f/1.79 aperture, a 13MP telephoto camera, an 8MP ultra-wide shooter, and a 2MP macro camera. The phone's Snapdragon 765G chipset is paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD card. Vivo X50e comes with a 4350 mAh battery and support for the 33W flash charge. There also a 3.5mm headphone jack and NFC support. The phone will go on sale for NT $13,990 $480 in Taiwan starting on October 1.